Alexander to sleep. The more noise, the better.
Is there another way that doesn't use noise?
We do find noise is the best way.
When George was a baby, we used to put him in his pram and wheel him around the house.
And that always sent him to sleep. How strange.
No loud noises. That's right. How many times around the house?
Daddy Pig is pushing baby Alexander around the house 50 times.
Good. Baby Alexander is asleep. Can you let me back in?
I'll just switch the alarm off. Switch the alarm back on.
Peppa, what are you doing?
I can't sleep, Daddy. It's a noisy night.
Okay, Peppa. Let's get you back to bed. Now, which bedroom are you staying in?
Stop, Daddy. That's baby Alexander's room.
The light has woken baby Alexander. It's all right. I've got the vacuum cleaner.
I've got the trumpet.
Stop! Stop! I remember another quiet way we used to get George to sleep.
Oh, yes. We drove him around in the car. I'll get the car started.
Don't forget the alarm.
Daddy Pig has set off the noisy house alarm. George does not want to be a baby.
George, if you pretend to be a baby, I promise to be nice to you forever and ever.
George is thinking.
And you can play with all my toys.
George is thinking more.
And when we get home, you can play with all my toys.
George has decided.
What a sweet baby piggy.
Here are Candy Cat, Susie Sheep, Rebecca Rabbit, and Zoe Zebra.
Why is George in that doll's pram? It's not George, it's a baby pig. But it is George. George is a pretend baby piggy. Ah! It's a girl or a boy? It's a girl. No.
George does not want to be a girl baby.
Okay, it's a boy. I've got some cookies. Would the baby piggy like one? Oh no, it can't eat cookies.
George likes cookies.
Maybe it can have one. Cuckoo. It's so clever and so handsome. It's very funny. It's the best baby piggy ever.
George likes this game. Here is Auntie Pig with baby Alexander.
Wow! Proper real baby piggy. It's so gorgeous. It's much sweeter than George.
Dear, George liked being the baby piggy.
Oh, George, you'll always be my baby piggy.
Maybe it's time for a new game. How about some dinosaur chasing?
George liked being a baby piggy, but he likes being George.
I didn't know you had a job here, Miss Rabbit.
Excusez-moi, I am not this Miss Rabbit. I am Mademoiselle Lapin.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Souvenirs, get your little Eiffel Tower here.
The real Eiffel Tower is really big. Can we climb up it?
It looks a bit high.
Daddy Pig does not like heights.
Do not worry, Mr. Pig. We take the elevator. Going up. I'm glad that's over. Oh no, that is just your stage. Now we must climb the steps.
If you feel dizzy, Daddy Pig, just close your eyes.
Okay. This is as high as we can go as visitors. Let's look at the view.
Bye bye.
These steps